Would you consider having artificial trees in your local park? With the global warming debate heating up, we could see giant fly swatter-shaped trees made of sorbent material lining the road, or roofs of buildings made of algae. Geoengineering could provide some alternative approaches to dealing with climate change. All this could be a familiar sight within the next 2 decades. A new report released by the London-based Institution of Mechanical Engineers tackles climate change with a focus on 3 main areas: the use of artificial trees, algae-coated roofs for infrastructure, and reflective buildings. The IME says the most promising solution is artificial trees, calculating that 100,000 artificial trees in 1.5 acres would be enough to capture all emissions from Britain's homes, transport, and light industry. Colin Brown, Director of Engineering at the institution, explains.
Artificial trees are a development by engineers to do better what a normal tree does. It takes carbon dioxide from the air, turns it into solid wood. In a normal tree, it'll do that very slowly. We could make an artificial tree that would go 1,000 or 10,000 times more quick than that.
The report urges the government to support a national startup research project, which could cost £10 to £20 million. The challenge remains as to whether or not UK citizens are willing to pay the cost.
The way that the government can deal with that is through personal taxation. You and I need to pay for these things at some time. And so we're talking about emissions trading schemes, we're talking about other taxation to mean that you're paying more in order to have a lower carbon economy.
Some scientists also fear against reliance on geoengineering because scientists still have a limited understanding of how Earth systems work together and the full effects of alternative schemes. The report will be presented to a select group of politicians and MPs at the Institute in the next few weeks. Marion Bamard, Reuters.